Today we're going to teach you how to use the toilet following a total hip replacement. Before your hip surgery, be sure to fit your raised toilet seat or toilet chair to your toilet. After surgery, use a walker to make your way to the toilet. Use small steps to square up to the toilet. Do not pivot. Continue taking small steps until you feel the back of the toilet against your legs. After surgery, it is important that you do not bend your hip past 90 degrees. To avoid this, when sitting down, begin by placing your surgical leg slightly out in front of you. Keep one hand on the walker for stability while you find the toilet seat handle. Then slowly lower yourself down onto the toilet using your non-surgical leg and your hands on the toilet seat. Be sure to keep your surgical leg extended. Sit on the front edge of the toilet seat, then scoot back if necessary. Do not lean forward. Instead, remember not to bend your hip past 90 degrees. So be sure to keep your back straight while sitting. To stand back up, a similar approach should be used. Start by scooting to the edge of the toilet while keeping your surgical leg extended. Push yourself up with your hands on the toilet seat and with your non-surgical leg. Then one hand at a time, reach for your walker to stand all the way up. Do not pull yourself up by pulling on the walker. Once standing, pull your surgical leg back under you and grab the walker with both hands.